Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another episode of Cookmas, where every day in December I'm sharing a new recipe. Today's recipe is we're making blondies. So I have some flour. I'm going to add salt and baking powder, give that a quick mix and set that aside. I also have 2 sticks of butter plus 2 tablespoons that are softened, and I'm adding white sugar, brown sugar, going to cream those together. Then I'm going to add in 3 eggs. I'm going to add one at a time. Just let them mix for a moment in between. I'm not sure how important that step is. I normally just throw everything in at once, but I was trying to follow the instructions in case it mattered. Then once that has been mixed, you could add in the vanilla extract. And then you could start adding in the dry ingredients a little bit at a time. And then you can add in the white chocolate chips. Then I have a 9x13 pan that I added some parchment paper to, and I'm going to add all the batter in there and trying to evenly spread it in there, then sprinkle it with some more white chocolate chips. I did bake that in the oven at 350. It said for 30 minutes. They were not done at 30 minutes with my oven. I think I did about 35 minutes or so, and this is how they turned out. They're so good. Love them. So if you'd like to try the recipe, all the information is in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.